Welcome to today's tutorial, how to decoupage with napkins and no wrinkles. We're crafting a beautiful coastal theme set using ceramic tiles and a Dollar Tree wooden caddy. I'll walk you through every step from prep to polished perfection. This is Debbie from Do Your Design and Decor. We'll start by prepping our ceramic tiles with a coat of Mod Podge. I like to keep my Mod Podge in a squirt bottle for easy application. Be sure to brush it on evenly, just making sure you get all the edges. Take your time because sometimes there's little goobers that get in there and you want to make sure you remove those, which I just did. All right, getting to all the edges. Nice even coat, as even as you can get it. All right, now I have another one that I've already Mod Podged, and I'm going to remove the napkins, carefully separating the delicate layers. This particular part of the napkin is going to go on our caddy. And I've already removed the layers of the piece that I'm using on our first tile. So once the surface is dry from the Mod Podge, we will place the napkin on top, add some parchment paper, and we will activate the magic using a craft iron. It gently adheres the napkin without a wrinkle in sight. I put the link for this craft iron in the comments below, just in case you'd like to get one of your own. Look at this, no wrinkles, actually perfect. Now we're going to remove the overlapping napkin with my micro sander. Again, I put the link in the comments for you. It just helps to release the paper very delicately without any ripping. And why? Because it's dry. Do not try that with a wet napkin. Next, I'm going to mix up some soft beachy shades that would complement the colors in the napkin. I like to paint the edges anytime I make coasters, whether they're wooden coasters or tiles. I like to do this step. It just gives it a seamless custom finish. And once that is dry, we will seal the napkin with another layer of Mod Podge. And I just happen to have another one that I've done ahead of time that is dry. I love it. It's so pretty. Here's the dry one. And we're just going to put one more layer of Mod Podge. Make sure that you give it a really nice layer, coating all the way to the edges. And this is also a step that you could repeat 2 or 3 times if you want that much more protection. And I do the edges as well. All right, there they are. The beautiful set is done. And now it's on to our wooden caddy. First up, I want to give that caddy a fresh coat of white paint. The napkins always look much better when they are adhered over a white background. And since the caddy is wood, it has a little bit of a tint of yellow, that yellowy wood color. This is from the Dollar Tree. I thought it would be an adorable caddy for my coasters. So there we go, adding a nice coat all around. And once that's dry, I repeat the entire decoupage process. First, Mod Podge. Now the caddy has these wooden slats, so I make sure that I get in between all of the slats as well. I have done the napkins so that both sides of the caddy will be covered, and I just love the theme of relax. It's such a nice, soft, coastal, relaxing theme. All right, so once that's dry, I repeat that process. Mod Podge, dry completely, napkin, parchment, iron. That's what we do. And then after, I like to touch it up with that same color that I put on the tiles. All right, now getting back to the tiles, I'm using a peel and stick cork. It gives it a really nice look, and you'll notice on the back of the tiles, I've added a teeny bit of paint around the edges. All right, now I touch up the inside of the caddy with that same custom mixed color for a coordinated pop, and I only do one coat. I like it when the wood's showing through. It gives it that shabby chic look. I did do a final seal of Mod Podge for that extra peachy charm. I'm embellishing the sides with real shells, and they echo the design that's in the napkin. I'm using E6000 for the lasting strength and hot glue for that immediate stick. I do hope that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. I love that you were with me today for my beachy coastal and shabby chic. This set is perfect accent for your coastal decor.